When it comes to determining if you can afford an IVA, you need to review all the payments you'll have to make before applying for one. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about IVA fees so you don't miss out on any important information. Your insolvency practitioner, or IP, will have a fee, of course. But if you decided to take advice from a debt management company, then you'll have to pay them in addition to your IP. You may also need to pay IVA registration fees, IVA application fees, and service maintenance fees. But don't worry, all the fees will be covered within your monthly IVA payments. Your IP will distribute this payment among your creditors, but they will keep a portion of it for themselves as part of their fee. Now, let's get into the actual cost of an IVA in the UK. IVA costs will largely depend on the parties involved in the IVA and the amount of debt owed. However, IVA costs in the UK can generally be broken down into three different categories: the nominal fee, the supervisor fee, and disbursements. The nominal fee refers to the initial fee that is needed to consult with you, determine your income and spending, and help you develop your IVA proposal. Depending on the amount of debt you owe to your creditors, this IVA fee can normally vary from about £1,000 to £2,200. The supervisor fee refers to the ongoing work that would be needed throughout the course of your entire IVA period, which typically lasts about 5 or 6 years. This IVA fee is typically 15% of any further realisations. It can never be larger than 18% of the total payments you make over the course of your entire IVA period. Disbursements are miscellaneous payments or any additional expenses that may occur due to the involvement of certain third parties in your IVA. System maintenance fees, as well as the IVA registration fees needed to register your IVA with the individual insolvency service, are also considered a part of disbursements. Any fees you may have due to legal advice you may have sought from debt management companies may also be charged as disbursements. IVA payment calculators can help you estimate IVA costs. These IVA calculators often ask for information such as your income, spending, the amount of debt, and so on and so forth. After that, they use this information to estimate how much your monthly IVA payments would be. They can also determine how much debt you would be able to write off. Whilst these IVA calculators definitely seem like handy tools to use, you should know that they're most likely going to lead to a debt management company contacting you to talk about your debt. This isn't a bad thing in itself so long as you're aware and can do your own research as well. If you're struggling with debt, then an IVA might be the right option for you, but there are other debt solution options available here in the UK. Some are free to use and others include fees, and each will have their own pros and cons. If you want to learn more about the solutions available, then we've created a really great form that you might be interested in checking out. Click the link in the description to get started and answer a few multiple choice questions, like the total amount of your debt, how many people you owe, your living situation, and we'll connect you with one of our trusted partners so that you can find out more and take steps towards improving your financial situation.